Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's have a look at this SAT question. Line L goes through points P and Q, whose coordinates are 0, 1, uh, 0, 1 and B, 0, respectively. For which of the following values of B is the slope of L greater than minus 1 over 2? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video and let's see how we can solve it. So sometimes it's better to draw a diagram. So our first point would be 0, 1. So that's 0, 1. So right about here. And the other one would be B0. So we know the y value would be 0. So it would be here in the x lane. And it would be for some x equals b point here, let's say. So the line would be something like this. Well, what is our slope? What is our slope? Slope is just rise over run. It's quite important. So what is our rise? Well, let's see. Our rise is just, let's write here the coordinates. It would be easier. That's 0, 1. That's B0. Our rise is just what, how much it moves in the y coordinate. The y coordinate goes from 1 to 0. So the difference would be 0 minus 1. Actually, we subtract the first one from the second one, 0 minus 1. And our run would be this here, which is again, we subtract the first one from the second one, it's b minus 0, which simplifies to minus 1 over b. Okay, we are interested in the value b when the slope of the line L is greater than minus 1 over 2. We can just simply solve this algebraically. So minus 1 over, that's not equal, minus 1 over b is greater than minus 1 over 2. We multiply by negative 1. And don't forget, if we multiply by negative 1, we switch the inequality. So 1 over b is less than 2. That means it will be, we can just multiply with the denominators, but it's easy to see if b is a number higher than 2, let's say 3, then 1 over 3 is less than 1 over 2. So b has to be greater than 2. And now we just look at our answers. 1 over 2 is not greater than 2, 1 not, 3 over 2 not, 5 over 3, that's again not, and 5 over 2, that's 1/2, so that would be greater than 2. And that's our answer. Have you managed to solve it? If you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. And thank you for watching.